Hi students. For our Ukulele for Beginners Part 2, we're going to begin with a song it's not that difficult as far as chords. It's got a G and a C and a D. And it's in 3/4, so it's strummed down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Only has a couple of features that sweeten it. By sweetening it, I mean they give it a little extra ornamentation. And the first is the G. So we play the G, we strum with the second finger raised, and then we hammer it down. And then we play it like this. Such is the way of the world, never know. And then the C is a C, but we sweeten that by C. So C, first finger on the second fret of the E string, excuse me. And then second finger on the third fret. Let's take a look at it. Let's look at the piece. This is Rise. It was in a movie. I think it was called The Wild. And the G suspended second is how you start the G. And you hammer on that. But then the C, it goes like this. Play the C with the third finger. And then on the second string, second fret. And then the second string, third fret. And then you back off, second string, second fret. And once later, you're going to add your pinky on the... You're gonna add your fourth finger to the fourth fret. It's actually fifth fret. And that's how you add the fingers. And the chords show throughout the G sus G, and then the C always with that first finger, second fret, third, and back. Your third finger, remember, is playing the C. Let me go over just that in a close-up. So here's the C. Here's the G. Let's hear this song. We'll do just this much. And let me put the metronome on. Good tempo. 1, 2, 3. 1, ready, start. Such is the way of the world, you can never know. Just where to put all your right, let's have fun with this one.